First up, the latest on a video that's been making national headlines, the vicious beating of a girl by a grown woman.
The woman remains in custody as various groups continue to express outrage. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the latest.
The video, which shows a half-naked woman using a machete to beat a 12-year-old girl, has been making rounds on social media, with persons expressing outrage all across the country. A day after it surfaced, the 44-year-old woman remains in police custody in St. Thomas and has not yet been charged. She was taken into custody on Sunday when the video first started to make the rounds. The head of the St. Thomas Police, Senior Superintendent Bew Rigaby, says investigations have revealed that the incident happened sometime last year. Many of the people who came across the video on social media sites like Twitter have expressed outrage at the actions of the woman. Some have questioned what could have driven the mother to go so far. Children's rights advocate Betty Ann Blaine says it's unacceptable.
A mother who does that to her child must face the courts. She must explain to a judge why is it she resorted to that, and there must be some penalty for her behavior. Having said that, one of the ways I would penalize this mother is that she would have to do mandatory parenting classes.
Mrs. Blaine wants the government to intervene to prevent these kinds of situations from recurring.
The law needs to be clear on how we must deal with this kind of thing. This is abuse, it's physical abuse, and the mother must face our courts. But I would like to encourage the government as well to engage in a massive public education campaign every day in our faces, talking to parents about other options. There are other ways to discipline your child or your children.
Meanwhile, the National Parenting Support Commission has joined the probe into the incident. The Commission Chief Executive Officer Casey Akar says the agency will be speaking with other entities investigating the matter. She says this is aimed at streamlining and coordinating the intervention to ensure that the child gets the type of support needed. Ms. Carr said her office will also speak with the woman. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.